A Greenpeace activist hangs off the Eiffel Tower in Paris. It's in a bid to free the 30 people jailed in Russia following a Greenpeace protest against Arctic oil drilling. After lowering himself from the second tier of the Paris landmark, police watched from below as the activist unfurled his banner, which read "Free the Arctic 30".
We're here to ask for the French government to do everything in their power to get the release of the 28 activists and the 2 journalists that have been jailed in Russia for 38 days now. The French government and the Prime Minister will meet President Putin in a couple of days in Russia, and we're asking him to discuss the situation of our activists and to ask for their release with the President Putin next week.
Crowds gathered below as rescue services prepared to climb the tower. The activist was brought down after about 2 hours by firemen without incident.